Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating mapanood sa video ito ay ang laban ni Mike Tyson versus Douglas Buster. Pero bago natin umpisa ng video ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, huwag mo na makalimutan mag-subscribe at pakihit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin umpisa ng bakbakan ito, ay mag-intro muna tayo mga idol. Ating balikan ang naging laban ng tinaguriang The Iron Man, Mike Tyson versus Douglas Buster. At alamin kung paano nga ba tinalo ni Buster Douglas ang kanyang katunggali na si Mike Tyson.
Raising left hand, chopping right, misses. Uppercut landed by Mike Tyson. That's one of the few uppercuts he's landed in the fight. We've been looking for that all night. Oh, that's a nice uppercut that time. That drops Buster Douglas. We've been looking for all night. So no matter what happens, we give a lot of credit to Buster Douglas for making this a big fight. Tyson trying to end it with one big shot again. He's down, he comes to the uppercut. Somehow or other, Buster's throwing shots back. Look at Buster coming back. Did he buckle the legs of Mike? I don't know, he shot him again. Oh, nice uppercut by Buster Douglas. Look at that. He's knocked Mike Tyson down for the first time in his career. Mike Tyson hits the canvas. He's in big trouble. He may not be able to recover. It's up to 7 and 8. He's not gonna make it. Unbelievable. Buster Douglas is the new heavyweight champion of the world. This has got to be, if not the, one of the biggest upsets in the history of boxing. Buster Douglas, the new undisputed heavyweight champion of the world. I've called a lot of great fights over the years, but this upset is left eye at Mike. Certainly one of the biggest.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, anong masasabi mo sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.